Installing the Kodi Addon on Kodi 21 Omega is a breeze. First, launch Kodi and head to the settings by clicking the gear icon. From there, navigate to the File Manager and select Add Source. Here, you'll want to enter the URL https://tkipeter.github.io/packages for the fin repository. Make sure it's typed correctly to avoid any hiccups. Once that's done, return to the main menu and click on Add-ons. Choose the open box icon at the top, then select Install from zip file. Locate the source you just added and install the repository. After that, go to Install from repository, find the fin repository, and select Video Add-ons. Scroll down to find Finlight and hit Install. In just a few moments, you'll have Finlight ready to go. Now you can enjoy a seamless streaming experience with all your favorite content. Happy streaming!